Stroke is a leading cause of long-term disability. Trunk compensation is the most common movement strategy to substitute limited arm reaching extent during goal-directed arm reaches for daily activities. There are a number of factors that impact motor control strategies, such as individual, environmental, and task condition factors. Previous studies have focused on the individuals and environmental factors. However, the task condition factors have not been well studied regarding compensatory movement strategies in chronic stroke survivors. We designed this protocol to investigate the impact of motor task conditions on motor control strategies of goal-directed arm reaches in chronic stroke survivors. Specifically, we aim to determine how post-stroke individuals utilize different movement strategies when they are performing goal-directed arm-reaching movements with different task goals. We use this protocol to test our hypothesis that chronic stroke survivors will increase trunk compensation during goal-directed arm-reaching movements as a function of task complexity and difficulty.
In this section, we are going to explain the kinematic measurement setup. We use 10 Vicon 3-dimensional motion capture cameras with motion monitor software to record goal-directed arm-reaching kinematics. Using the Vicon Nexus software version of 2.8.2, we set up the motion capture cameras, masking unwanted reflections, camera calibration, and volume origin setup. After that, we set up the kinematic data collection using the motion monitor software. This procedure includes mapping markers, setting up the stylus, setting up world axes, and assigning